Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, May 16th, and these are your bell ringer problems. Got problems number 1 through 4 to do today. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 1. We've got 12 and 500ths being compared with 12 and 100, or 5 thousandths, excuse me, being compared with 12 and 105 thousandths. And so if you can say those names, we've got 12 and 5 thousandths, so we've got 12 and 105 thousandths. We can see here that we've got a 0 in the tens place and a 1 in the tens place. We should see that 12 and 105 thousandths is greater. Alright, in problem number 2, we need to find the difference of 3/5 and 1/2. The difference. So that means we're going to do 3/5 minus 1/2. And the only way that we can do that is find a common denominator. So I'm going to have to do times 2 here, times 2 to get 6/10. And then times 5 here, times 5 to get 5/10. And then 6/10 minus 5/10 is going to leave me with 1/10. 1/10. Okay. Problem number 3, I need to take a look at this longer problem. This is an order of operations problem. I have 16 divided by 4 in parentheses times 2. Okay, so I know that I have to do the parentheses first. So 16 divided by 4 is going to leave me with 4, and then I have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 is my final answer. And then last but not least, we have number 4. It says, which digit is in the hundredths place in 7 and 9,031 10,000ths? So we have 7 and 9031, and they're asking which digit is in the hundredths place. Well, this 0 is actually in the hundredths place. So, alright, we've got extra practice today. We've got problems number 1 and 2 to take a look at. So problem number 1, find the measure of angle C. Well, please remember that all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if I add up, all of those equal 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So if I add up angle A plus angle B, that's going to be 110 plus 43. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. Bring your 1 down, I get 153. And then I'm going to just go ahead and take 153 and subtract that from 180. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, and nothing. So I get 27 degrees, and I find out that that is A. 27 degrees has to be A. Alright, and then problem number 2 here. How many 1 centimeter cubes will fit inside the box? Well, if they're ever asking you how many things will fit inside the box, they're asking you to find the volume. So I know that volume is going to equal length times width times height. I'm going to change that to a dot. Length times width times height. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 times 5 times 3. 5 times 3. I get 25 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Do you want up here? 6, 7. So I get 75, and that's going to be 75 cubic inches, or cubic centimeters. Alright, folks. After today, we've got very little time. So after today, we have 7 days. 7 days, okay? Let's make these good ones.